The aim of this video is to show how to do the new standard tutorial and show some of the new features. Go to cs-schools.com, click login, click student. You will have a student login code at this stage, but I'm going to use a dummy one here. Click login. Okay, once you've logged in, click the drop down menu on the right side. Click school and view tutorials. If there is a previous tutorial, that information will be here. You'll have the message from the previous teacher, and you'll also have any e-learning work that's been done from this tutorial. This dummy student obviously has 0%. So to do another tutorial, click Actions, click Create New. Okay, at this point the teacher takes the phone and clicks Teacher Unlock. Choose the name, so you'll be CES Sandbox Teacher, and then you'll have a number. I'll choose 1 here. Click Teacher Unlock and put in the code. And press Submit. Okay, choose B1 level. Okay, once you've chosen the level, the student then takes the phone and completes the can-do statements for grammar and vocabulary. Each time they click Need More Practice, the system will send them work to their suggested learning page. You can see in this case we have intensifiers 2 and enough. Complete this for vocabulary as well. Complete the self-assessment section. And then for teacher options, you can give them advice for the different skills as before, or you can use a new simple process at the beginning where you just click the first 2 tabs here. And that will give you a message at the bottom which shows the students that they can go to their progress page and suggested learning to do the study from the tutorial. The final thing you do is click the progress, drag the progress bar across and press Submit. The student can now see their suggested learning page, which will have your teacher recommendations that we've just typed in, and it'll also have any playlists that have been set from the tutorial. In this case we have, as we saw, they need more practice in intensifiers so and such. You can see that's here. If the student wants to see all of this work, they open the suggested learning tab here, and they will see all of that work that's been sent to them.